Okay, anchoring epoxy, Quikrete. Same product, Quikrete. Now, you think you're getting a full tube of it. In reality, sorry, I've got to use two hands here. You're getting the shaft. You're getting this much of a push rod, if you will. A little bit more. Sorry, it's kind of difficult doing one hand. All right, so that's this. You're getting half a tube of product. Now I'll take this apart and show you what's in there. Okay, so I'll pull it apart and you can see there's your plunger. This is just a plunger. There's nothing in here. There's no mixing valve inside there that's doing something magical. No. There's the actual plunger up top. It's a two-part component mixing system. That's on top of that. It just acts like a plunger. And I'll show you something else. So here's the entire plunger. That's where I cut it initially to get it apart, but that sits on top of that tubing. Let's see a little better lighting. Sits on top of that tubing. Here's the plunger, if you will. It forces that's on top of there like that. So it is solid. I just ripped it apart when I took it apart. There's a little gasket on it. And it just forces the material to the top. And there's your top. And of course this just screws off. Now it's a two-part system. And here we go. So now I want to show you that if I line the back of this up with the back of where the actual tube, this is, line it up there, put this back together with the top on, you'll see that in reality you're getting less than half. You're only getting this much epoxy for $20 in this quick set product. Now if we rotate it, it says you get 8.6 fluid ounces. So this is what this guy is. I'm going to take this nozzle off and we're going to weigh this, and we're going to see what the difference is between a full one and an empty one.